Hi, Michael. So from the agenda, since you're used to going here, you could also use that Google Doc link I sent you, or modules. So this is for starting tomorrow, so you're not quite there yet. So I'm going to scroll down to previous agendas. So this is what you're trying to finish up right now. So if you didn't finish the persuasive essay, you should do that. Looks like you finished that up. So you have my comments there, and you have a grade. You're welcome to resubmit if you want more points. The next thing is this assignment to prepare for the persuasive speech, which you have not done, and you have not given the persuasive speech. So that should be the next thing you're wrapping up from quarter 3. So you're posting it on Flipgrid, and I would just watch the tutorial here. But basically, you click the plus sign, you tell the argument that you wrote for your persuasive essay, so you just say this argument to the class, you post it here, and that pretty much finishes up quarter 3 for you. For the independent novel project, if you haven't finished that, to review, the first 50 points was a double entry journal. So on the left-hand side, you record quotes from your book. Well, you quote things from your book, words, phrases, whatever. On the right-hand side, you just say your personal reaction to it. You could ask a question, give your opinion. And then the second half was to make a creative movie. So you could talk about the setting, you could pretend like you're a character, you could make a soundtrack for the book. So it's not a summary, you're doing something creative. And I showed you, or Mr. Leister showed you how to do WeVideo. And I have examples for all of these things. You could also use Adobe Spark if you want, or something else. But hopefully you were here when we talked about WeVideo and you logged in through class. I believe that you did. So you know how to play around with it. Sorry, I'm trying to get in. So you create a new video. You can record yourself if you want under My Media. Record, you can narrate, you can import things from your computer. You could use stock media that WeVideo just has for you. So you could search for things. You put it all together down here. You can add music files here in WeVideo. And when you are all done, you click Finish, and you'll submit the link. So I think that's most of the old stuff that you would need to know. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to ask. And I look forward to starting quarter 4 tomorrow.